What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy, and as you can clearly see on the screen right now, it has been pumping up in value, making it 0.01973, just under 2 cents per coin, and has gone up by 10% in the last 24 hours. So we're going to be looking at what has caused this, out of random, all of a sudden, it not even in the last 24 hours but in the last hour and a half, it has gone up in value. So what has caused it? Where is it heading to next? Is it going to keep going up in value? Is it going to drop back down? Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to buy? A lot of different questions have been asked as well on this crypto, so that is exactly what I'm going to be going through in today's video, looking at its potential over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022 if Jasmy is a good investment. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again guys, for this giveaway there's going to be at least 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies, so make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway. So as you can clearly see, Jasmy is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it gained a massive 11%, guys. Again, within an hour, 11% is a huge amount. Over the last day, 10%. Over the week, however, it has dropped a massive 25%. So a quarter of its value has been wiped off in just a single week. So in 7 days, basically. And over the month, is an overall 15% up. So going into the coin market cap website, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 7% in the last 24 hours, making it $220 million. However, I'm expecting this number to go up quite a bit over the next few hours once more and more people start realizing that the huge peak that's taken place. Obviously this only happened within the last hour, so not everyone's going to know about it, but once they do know, you're going to see the trading volume go up in value. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the Fibonacci scale with the candlestick pattern. Obviously I'm not going to start off with the Fibonacci scale to do the technical analysis. I'm going to save that for later on in the video. So let's hide this and bring up the MACD indicator to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But before I do that, guys, if any of you not any of you guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing it at 0.02696. However, it is trading at 0.01944, which is quite lower than the average value, meaning it's not performing too well, and it is underperforming at the moment. So let me zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction. But the only reason for that, I would say, is because of the huge peaks that's taking place right now, and I'm expecting the crypto to drop back down in value over the coming hours as well. Because if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I've always said this: whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, just like this one here, this is a great example. It has to drop back down and it will dip back down in value. We can clearly see it did hit the 2 cents target earlier on in the last hour and a half, and right now has dropped below it, and we can already see a red candle coming across. So more drops in value are expected over the coming hours, but that does not mean it's going to completely drop in value all the way back down. We are going to see peaks and drops in between. It's going to be a mixture of green and red candles, but the overall outcome is probably going to drop back down to about 0.018 to 0.019 in between this price target here. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days are again looking bullish, going in a positive direction. But again, the only reason for that is because of this huge increase that's taken place. The chart or the graph is thinking, you know what, it's going to keep going like that, it's going to keep going up in value. However, that is not the case. After this increase here, we should see some decreases in value, so potentially dropping back down in value towards the end of next week. And also the value of Jasmy will be less than what it's worth at the moment. However, you guys have asked for regular updates on Jasmy at least once every 2 to 3 days, so that is exactly what I'm doing. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because regular updates are coming. Moving on to the daily chart, Next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Now we are looking bearish, so it has taken a U-turn. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bearish direction, looking quite negative, so more decreases in value are expected over the long run. So by late May, early June, we should expect it to go to a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, guys, you have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact or a major impact on the value of Jasmy, either in a positive way or negative way. But either way, I'm going to keep you guys updated as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my predictions. So let's hide the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, guys, if any of you guys are interested in what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, all you guys need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to come across this page to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month. And again, this is available for the first 100 members. After that, it will go back up to $29.99. Make sure you use code DEC10 for 50% off. Again, if you sign up now, guys, it's going to stay at $14.99 for as long as you stay a member, and it will never go up to $29.99. It is still available, so make sure you get in before it runs out. And also, guys, I'm not a short-term trader, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor, so we only make smart moves. But again, if you guys have any questions, any queries before you join, or want to ask anything, feel free to DM me on Instagram and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So as I've said plenty of times on Jasmy, guys, there is not much technical analysis we can do. The only reason for that is it's literally been fluctuating in the red zone since about January, very early January 2022. It's been fluctuating in the red zone, and it's just been getting worse and worse and worse. So the only technical analysis I can potentially do is when it hits about this target level, which is the 8 cents target, which I'm not expecting it to hit anytime soon. The only reason for that is it's way too far away, and from my prediction so far is only about to get worse. So for it to hit the 8 cents target very late this year or early next year, depending on any news or collaborations that they've got going on. But yeah, anything like that, as I mentioned earlier, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. But yeah, guys, these are my predictions and my takes on Jasmy. Let me know what your expectations or what your predictions are on this crypto, because a lot of people have been saying, it's not worth investing into it, it's going to keep dropping in value, so on and so on. But guys, I myself have invested into Jasmy and I'm still holding on to it, and I will be holding on to it for the long run, because I've previously mentioned plenty of times I am a long-term investor. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Jasmy. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like. And also, I just want to say a huge thank you to all the supporters out there, all the subscribers, all the people who have been liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel. A huge shout out and a huge thank you to all of you guys. And yeah, on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.